at a new restaurant that just recently opened up called, I think, Rhawa Bar and Restaurant. I never thought the potatoes and avocados would be good, but they're good. It's fulfilling. The lettuce. Now, I'm not a fan of the sauces. Pretty good. Those spices is cooking, so she chased it with a cook. But the meal is delicious. Now I can talk. Okay. I went in the restaurant. It's called, I believe it's called Restaurant Bar in Lounge Restaurant. I want to miss or something, but I am impressed. The food was delicious and it was fresh. It's a Ethiopian restaurant, Mediterranean type food. It's delicious. I only tried 2 items, and for me to have not ate all day long, I'll have to tell you. I'll show you. I only had 2 items on their menu, and it was not a entree. It was not a full meal. It was just, I can't tell you. I have to show you. But it was good. It was different. I can tell you every ingredient's in. It's just that sauce. Only thing I can think of is the garlic. But the garlic in the sauce, in the red sauce, spicy sauce. But I knew all the other ingredients in the recipe, but I most likely will try something else. But I only tried 2 items, and surprisingly I got full and could not eat the whole full salad. It was delicious. The atmosphere is nice, and so yes, I will be back.